Hello guys, so today's video we will be fixing my ignition switch on my Honda Civic. So I'm going to be taking this whole panel off and trying to change the part, and I'm going to show you exactly what is broken and we're going to try and fix it. First attempt and without watching YouTube videos and stuff, because I want to learn how to fix my own car, do things on my car and just save on money at the end of the day. So guys, if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on bell notifications, and share this video to anyone that you know that has a 2000 Honda Civic. This can apply, I think, to below. So this is just the E case as far as I know. But yeah, let's do this. Firstly, I'm gonna have to take the seat out because I can't really work much here. It's quite tight space, so we're gonna just do that first. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the ignition switch, and inside I'm going to show you how damaged it is. I got the car like this and I've been meaning to fix it, so I finally got the part for it and I'm actually going to fix it now. I actually ordered this thing on Takealot, just by the way, so I'm going to show you how it looks afterwards. Surprised that Takealot has car parts. I've seen they have like accessories and stuff, but I didn't expect to have them have a ignition switch, and they gave me 2 replacement keys with it as well, which fits on this. So I'm not going to be running my keys that I actually have for this car afterwards, but let's see how this goes. So I don't know if you can see, but this thing is currently hanging off of here because whatever was on here, or whatever bracket held this, snapped off or it broke. So I don't exactly know what happened beforehand. Like I said, I got this car as is with this issue, and we're going to be sorting that out. So what we need to do first, we're going to have to loosen this off and then see what goes where on this one. But before I do that, I'm actually going to compare the new one to this. Okay, so I'm just going to take out the new one. It's crazy that Takealot had this. And if it's the right thing, bruh, then well done, Takealot. But yeah, so as you can see, got the new ignition switch There's the keyhole, and this is the bracket I assume that broke off there to actually be secured on there. But yeah, my old car keys doesn't work on this, so we've got two new sets of keys as well with it. That works completely well with it. But yeah, see how this goes. Hey, go back, man. Ah! Here we go. Come here. So I'm just comparing everything. It seems like... Okay, so we got the old one off, as you can see, and I've already basically put that in line with the new one, slightly tightening it there and slightly tightening this off. Okay, and now we can fully tighten it. That one's tight. Here we go. The new one's on. Now, this is some weird screw, but let's just see how this mounts on here. So this is gonna mount on there. Right though. Okay, I'll do that now.
You'd say those 3 words and I would believe. I wish that I could forgive and forget. You've told so many lies, I've got nothing left. A dog is a dog, can't teach him no tricks. You are who you are, and that's all that there is. I wanna believe that we change like a promise, but I can't keep on holding my breath, 'cause I'm watching the rain fall and it's getting up. So I refuse to stay and love you to death. I will love you to death, love you to death. Look, baby, I can't love you to death, no matter how much you got. This is the end, 'cause baby, I can't love you to death. If all that was you working late, I'd understand, maybe I'd be okay. But I'm a bugger.
Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said it never, think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but at least forever is even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love more. It might not be.
Okay, so we are done with the repair. Now that is solid, so now it doesn't run away. We're just gonna test and see if it starts to go up. Oh yeah, one thing. So that's what I forgot, to get my old key. Of course, here's my immobilizer. Let's turn the ignition. Yeah, that is so smooth compared to my last one. I'm actually gonna show you how my last one was before I do anything else. So this was my previous one, huh? Put it in. You have to like push it in. See here. In, push it down and then turn it. This one, however, is so smooth. Whew! It is satisfying. Anyway, righto. There we go. it sorted. Oh, it's kind of cold, but it will give us light tap. Yeah, now we're gonna put everything back together and then we'll have a word from our sponsor. Yo guys, so today's video is proudly sponsored by Zubimart. And you're probably thinking, what is Zubimart? Well, let me explain. Are you looking for the ultimate destination where you can find everything from the latest gaming gadgets to the trendiest fashion pieces? Well, look no further because Zubimart has got you covered. Zubimart is not just your average e-commerce platform, it's a one-stop shop for all your needs, whether you're a hardcore gamer in search of the newest gaming rig, a gadget geek looking for the latest mobile tech, or a fashionista seeking the hottest trends in tech wear. Zubimart has something for everyone. And here's the cherry on the top. By using my exclusive discount code GiAD5, you can enjoy a fantastic 5% discount on all your orders. Yes, you heard that right. Just enter GiAD5 at checkout and watch those prices drop. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Zubimart now, explore their vast selection of products, and don't forget to use code GiAD5 for that sweet discount. So if you guys buy anything on Zubimart, don't forget to use my discount code GiAD5 to get a 5% discount on all your orders. And let me not interrupt the video further and enjoy. So I've just realized I'm gonna have to move it a little bit more forward because my ignition sits very far back and this thing needs to go on there specifically. So I just need to decide how am I gonna do that. You can see this is an aftermarket one compared to the new one. It sits different, but let's see what we can do here. I'm just gonna put that on the floor quickly. Two tiny screws, bruh. Hey bro, where must I get a screwdriver for this? Hey bro.
Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said it never, that I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but it's forever is even better. And I don't know what I'm crying. I don't think I could love more. It might not be.
Okay, so I need to get a screwdriver for these two little screws so that I can put this thing on there and then measure more or less where I need to place the actual ignition switch. Okay, so we managed to get 3 screwdrivers, like 2 flat ones and then 1 star. I was probably gonna use a star screwdriver. Just gonna mount this thing on there real quick. I think what I can do is I'm gonna take it off someone now and then just do it while it's like loose and then like mount it back up again. I need to get my wheel alignment done as well. My wheel alignment is crazy out of place, bro.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to.
Okay, now we're just gonna mount this thing up nicely and then we should be good to go.
Can see you want me to. Now it's me and you. Now I've been waiting, needing, don't wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now. Baby, tell me how you like it. I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you.
Guys, so what's stopping me from finishing up here is that there is a little crack within the, I don't know what you call it, the steering pole or something like that. I don't know car terms really that much. I'm still learning, but this thing, oh, steering column, sorry. It's like a piece of metal that's sticking out that's blocking it from lining up very nice and straight. So I'm just gonna cup it back with a I'm gonna try and knit the shit back. If I could show you what it looks like, maybe I can. What I'm trying to sort out. So I don't know if you can see, there's a piece of little metal here that's sticking out from where it last broke off. So I'm trying to hit that back into those areas that it can sit nicely around, because currently it's not sitting flush on me. Okay guys, I'm just gonna put it on there. So we fixed everything. Downside of this part, I must say, is that the original unit, which comes from Honda, oops, there's these two little screws here, which basically enables you to screw this thing into this plastic bracket at the bottom into here. And the new unit doesn't have those two holes, but we'll leave that for tomorrow and then see if we can sort that out. But yeah.